GABA Primary English Class 4. Chapter 13 Skippy's Lessons. There lived a lazy young frog by a stream. His name was Skippy. One day he sat quietly, basking in the sun. Everything was calm, and he was almost half asleep. Suddenly he saw a fish gliding gracefully through the clean water of the stream. Skippy was impressed by the swift and smooth movement of the fish. He decided at once to learn to swim like the fish. So he called out to the fish and said, "Fish, I am keen to learn to swim like you. Would you please teach me?" The fish agreed but said, "You can learn well only if you are willing to work hard at it." "I am willing to put in a lot of effort," Skippy promised as he hopped around excitedly, and soon he began to take swimming lessons from the fish. He observed the fish carefully and then tried to imitate her movements. It was not easy at all. Skippy worked hard for a few days, but soon he got tired of the swimming lessons. He said to himself, "I think there is no need to learn any more from the fish." The next day, Skippy told the fish that he had decided that there was no need for any more lessons. The fish was alarmed. "You have just started learning. It is too soon to end the lessons," but Skippy did not pay any heed to the fish. Once again, Skippy sat lazing in the sun by the stream. Through half-shut eyes, he saw a hare run past him. He was very impressed by the speed at which the hare could run, and he said to himself, "The fish can swim well, but it cannot run like the hare. I want to run as fast as the hare." So Skippy went to the hare and said, "Hare, how alike we both are. We have two short front legs and two long hind legs. Can you teach me to run like you?" The hare laughed to hear the frog comparing himself to a hare, but he agreed readily to teach Skippy to run. However, he warned him that it would take patience and hard work to learn to run like him. The frog promised to work hard, and so the hare began his lessons. Soon Skippy could jump nimbly and run faster than he could do earlier. He was now very proud of himself and thought, "I have now mastered both swimming smoothly in water and running swiftly on land." The frog then told the hare, "I have learned enough and do not need any more lessons." The hare was surprised and told him that he had not taught him even half of what he knew. "You should continue your lessons and not stop so soon. There's a lot to learn yet," the hare said. However, Skippy was sure that he had learned enough, and so he did not listen to the hare. The frog easily gave up learning anything that he decided to do. That is why he did not learn to swim well like the fish or run fast like the hare. But today the frog wonders and repents. "Why I did not learn my lessons well when I was young and had ample opportunity to do so."